Wait a minute. You gotta wait till Isaiah. I know, I saw it. You gotta wait till Isaiah goes past you, though.
It kinda itched me, and I had to do that.
Okay.
But it.
Yeah, you can do that. No, back up.
When you say go.
Ready, go. Back it up, Noah. Back here. There you go. Wait a second. Good job. You was flying on that one.
I want that.
Alright, wait, Isaiah, stop right there. You've got to wait till he backs up. Alright, you ready? Alright, take off.
I'm gonna let him come back, and then I'm gonna go.
Alright, come on back.
Here I go.
Take off.
I kind of feel bummed.
Good job.
There.